Shoulder and arthroscopy, revision sheet 1 definition. The shoulder is a multiaxial spheroidal joint. Stability depends on bony structures, muscles, capsuloligamentous structures. Arthroscopy equals visualization of a joint using a fiber optic camera. 2. Anatomy. Main joint, glenohumeral joint, humeral head, glenoid fossa. Labrum, fibrocartilage that deepens the glenoid, increases stability. Biceps tendon, contributes to stability. Stabilizers, static, capsule plus glenohumeral ligaments, superior, middle, inferior. Dynamic, rotator cuff muscles, supraspinatus, infraspinatus, subscapularis, teres minor. Scapular stabilizers, trapezius, serratus anterior, rhomboids. 3. Pathogenesis, causes, trauma, microtrauma, overuse 40 years, instability, overuse. 40 years, rotator cuff tears, impingement, degeneration. 4. Natural history leads to pain and functional limitation. Instability decreases with age. Rotator cuff tears increase with age. Untreated stiffness, degeneration, loss of function. 5. Clinical examination history most important. Mechanism, traumatic or not. Symptoms, pain, weakness, stiffness, pain at rest, activity, or night. Physical exam, inspection, asymmetry, muscle atrophy. Palpation, localized tenderness. Range of motion, active and passive strength testing. Special tests, rotator cuff, drop arm, lift off. Impingement near Hawkins, instability, apprehension, relocation. Labrum, clicking, O'Brien test. 6. Imaging X-rays, AP, axillary outlet views, MRI, highly sensitive for soft tissue injuries. 7. Differential diagnosis, impingement syndrome, rotator cuff tear, adhesive capsulitis, instability, labral tear, osteoarthritis, biceps tendon pathology, cervical causes. 8. Non-operative, rest NSAIDs, physiotherapy injections. Surgical, arthroscopy if conservative treatment fails. 9. Arthroscopy, key points. Positions, beach chair, lateral decubitus, portals, posterior main, anterior lateral procedure, insert arthroscope, evaluate, cartilage, labrum, tendons, ligaments, explore subacromial space.